If you want to crop just one layer in Krita without affecting the rest of your artwork, this video is for you. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the exact steps to isolate part of a single layer, remove the unwanted pixels around it, and keep everything else in your project untouched. This is super useful when you only want to trim one element, clean up an object, or refine a specific part of your design without cropping the entire canvas. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Krita guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, look over to the Layers docker and select the specific layer you want to crop. This is an important first step because anything you do next will only apply to the active layer, so make sure you have the correct one highlighted. Once that layer is selected, go to the toolbar and choose the Rectangle Selection tool. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+R to switch to it faster. Now, with the Rectangle Selection tool active, draw a selection box around the area of the layer that you want to keep. Try to make the selection as accurate as possible so you only preserve the part you actually need. If your goal is to crop tightly around a subject or an object, take a moment to position the selection carefully before moving on. After that, go up to the top menu bar and click Select. From the drop-down menu, choose Invert Selection. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+I. What this does is flip the selection, so instead of selecting the area you want to keep, it selects everything outside of it. That is exactly what we need for cropping just one layer. Next, press the Delete key on your keyboard. This removes the unwanted outer pixels from the active layer, leaving only the area inside your selection visible. Depending on your layer content, you may see the excess parts disappear right away, which means the crop has worked correctly. At this point, your layer should now be trimmed down to only the part you wanted to keep. To finish up, go back to the Select menu and choose Deselect. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+A to clear the selection. This step is important because it removes the active selection border and lets you continue working normally without accidentally editing the wrong area. And that's it. You've now cropped just one layer in Krita without changing the rest of your image. This method is simple, fast, and perfect for cleaning up individual elements in your artwork. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more practical Krita tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.